So the key for the 10 over x is to recognize that that needs to be rewritten. Get rid of that symbol. That needs to be rewritten as 10x to the negative 1 power. Okay? But this is still the original function, so I'm leaving my original notation. So now the first term is just a power rule. So this guy's just a power rule, negative 10, x to the negative 2. And this is one of those derivatives that you're supposed to memorize. But I said if you don't memorize it, you don't have to memorize it, but you do at least need to know to look it up in the cover of your book, okay? So the derivative of secant x is secant tan. Secant x tangent x. So this is going to be 5 secant x tangent x. That is the derivative of it. Okay? And then this you just rewrite as a positive exponent. So move the x squared back to the bottom, and that's your final answer. Okay? So which part were you stuck on? I think it depends on how you worked it out. I would have FOILed first and then done a power rule for each term. Did you do that, or did you try to do a product rule? Okay, so I'm going to FOIL too. So this would be x squared. X times a negative 1 over x is going to be just 1. And then in the middle, x times 1 over x, that's also a very convenient 1. And then I have negative 1 over x squared, because when you multiply the fractions, multiply the two tops together and the two bottoms together. So the 1's go away, and my original function is really just x squared minus x to the negative 2. Move this exponent up so you can do a power rule. So was it you're simplifying before you even did the derivative that you messed up on? Was that what happened? So now it's easy once you simplify it. So now the derivative is 2x plus 2x to the, subtract 1, and you get negative 3. Okay, and then move that negative 3 back to the bottom. Do you remember if that's how they wrote their answer, or if they left it negative, that's how they left it? Okay.